We're going to have our final dance exhibition. This is going to come to us from, like I say, Ascension, Harjo, who comes to us from Six Nations of the Grand. And Ascension, like I say, has been competing in that World Hoop Dance Championship for the last 3-4 years. And he is of the Mohawk, Kickapoo, and Seminole nations. Those are all of his First Nations, or his Indigenous affiliation. And he lives in Six Nations, like I say. And Ascension has been exhibitioning this hoop dance for a couple of years at not just powwows and celebrations and festivals like that, but also, a lot of non-native organizations and events ask Ascension to showcase this hoop dance. So those of you watching June 21st, you're in for a good show, and you got to kind of really pay attention, because Ascension makes these formations with these hoops. And Ascension, are you there, buddy? much, Ascension. Harjo, nice big round of applause for Ascension and all of our singers putting on a real good show here.
Well, Inishik, singers, and all the dancers that came on today. Like I said, like Gordon said, I've been dancing with the school board for 8 years now. And because of this COVID, we weren't able to gather like we usually do at Springwater Park every year. So I thought I would get something together and put on a virtual powwow for the students and faculty of the Simcoe County District School Board. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I enjoyed it. And yeah, we're going to do one final song, traveling song. We end all powwows with a traveling song. But there's no word in our language, in any of our languages, that mean goodbye. It's see you later or until we see you again. So on that note, La Pitch Canal, Lomwa, get to see everyone. And hopefully we will see you guys at Springwater Park next year. Aho.
All right. Thank you very much, Melissa. And once again, thank you to our young ladies who rendered our invocation for today. Like I say, the language and the culture and being in touch with our ceremonies is very, very important to our people. And it's what you'll see at the beginning of a lot of what we do. So thank you to our invocation language speakers that helped us out. Thanks again to Melissa, and especially to all of the staff and whoever helped us out here at the Simcoe County School Board, the Board of Education over there in Simcoe County, and your acknowledgement of National Indigenous Peoples Day on June 21st. So we hope everybody enjoyed the singing and especially the dancing. Like I say, all of these dancers are working hard for you. And this is Gordon Sands once again on behalf of all the singers in the group. Lightning Clark. All right. Vidal Sands. All right. Yeah, nice big round of applause. And Liam Sands. All right. And our mom, Gail Sands. All right. So we're going to give just like Melissa said, a traveling song, just a good song to send everybody off in a good way. And in our language and our ways, we always say that you get home, to your home fires in a safe and good way. So we can all gather again, once again, like Melissa said. So everybody stay safe, and we're going to get through it. So here we go. One final song for everybody. thank you very much, singers. And once again, thank you to all of our dancers and Melissa and Jalen. This has been our camera person here. That's Jalen. She's been helping us out with the camera all afternoon. So this is my voice is cracking. This is Gordon Sands signing off once again. And thank you to everybody who's checking us out right now, and to all of the staff and students in the community up there in Simcoe. We hope you enjoy this song and dance presentation. So see you at a powwow down the road somewhere, everybody. Signing off.